Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon cow. Let's begin on the left side of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of our circle, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we're going to line up the top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up. On the top left side of each eye, we draw a small circle coming in for a highlight. Then we'll line that up on the right. Let's add a smaller circle on the bottom right side of each eye. Now I want to fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the left eye, we're going to step out, come down towards the bottom, go across, and then bring that up on the right. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, go around, and then back down. Let's add a curve across the bottom, going up towards the eyes, and then down. And then on either side, we're going to draw two small black dots for the nostrils. Now we're going to go up to the top and draw on the ears. Let's start on the left, going out, and then bend that back in like an oval. Line that up on the right side. And then we'll add the horns along the top, starting on top of the left ear, going out and then up, round this out, and then come down and in. Let's come down to the left side of the head, draw the body. We're going to curve this down and then in towards the front leg. Curve the leg coming down, around, and then up. Draw a straight line going across towards the hind leg, come down towards the same height, go all the way up toward the top of the back, and then pull that in toward the right side of the head. Let's tuck the left leg in behind, starting underneath the body, coming down, and then up. Let's add the udder in between the legs, starting from the left, come down and in. Let's add two bumps, coming down and up, add another one, curve up towards the back. Let's tuck the back leg in behind, curving down and then up. Let's go up towards the top and draw in the tail, going out and then up, and we'll round up the side, going up towards the point. Let's separate the bottom of the feet with a curve, starting from the outside. We're going to go up and then down, continue all the way over towards the back leg. Let's fill the bottom of the feet in black. Now let's go and add the spots across the body, starting with the head. Starting on the left side, we're going to draw a wave, going around and then back up. Let's add a small one on the right side. Let's add a large one across the back, one in the center of the body. Now I'll switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of each spot. We're going to fill the inside of the tail. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's a cute cartoon drawing of a cow. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.